Welcome to SacredBox. Today, I'll take you through the entire registration journey, showing you exactly how to sign up as a service provider and join our growing community. To begin, head over to the SacredBox website and click on the Register button on the top right-hand corner. On the registration page, click on the Providers tab. This ensures that you're on the right path to registering as a service provider. Now it's time to enter your details. You'll need to fill in your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and create a super strong password. Please make sure that the email address and phone number you provide are valid, as a verification code will be sent to both. Next, select a category from the list that best matches your professional expertise. If you feel that more than one category fits, don't worry, you can add additional categories later in your profile section. Choose your provider type now. If you're operating independently, select Individual. However, if you represent a religious institution, choose Business. When it comes to adding your address, simply start typing into the address field. The system will offer suggestions based on what you've entered. All you need to do is pick the correct one from the list. Before you complete your registration, make sure you tick the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions, membership agreement, and other policies. Also, verify that you're not a robot. Once you've completed these steps, click on the Sign Up button. Your successful sign-up will now redirect you to the verification page. An email containing a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your registered email address. Enter this code in the designated text field, click Submit, and once verified, you'll be taken to the login page. To access to your personalized dashboard, log in using the credentials you just used to sign up. This is where you can explore your account, update your details, add services you're planning to offer, and make sure everything is just as you need it. So, go ahead, take the first step, and join us in this spiritual journey. We're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for choosing SacredBox.